We're replacing a 67-year-old substation with state-of-the-art technology. And so what that smart technology does, it allows us to more rapidly identify and isolate outages, restoring power sometimes within seconds as opposed to what used to be hours.
The weather has a traumatic effect on us, either in the summer or the winter. And I think that having this kind of smart technology is going to be essential in making sure that we have a continuity of service. And so I think, having the ability to switch on from, maybe an hour, 2 hours, or even a day to maybe minutes, I think is extremely helpful.
So the Smart Energy Plan has really helped our customers. In the first 3 years since the bill was initially passed in 2018, Ameren Missouri has completed more than 2,000 projects. We have invested more than $2.7 billion with a B in our state. We've created 4,600 new jobs, and we've utilized 56% of our suppliers are Missouri-based.
These switchgear are manufactured by AZZ Switchgear Systems out of Fulton, Missouri. A local partnership that has a nice impact on our economy.
Well, as long as we can continue to turn the economy over within ourselves, I think we're doing good. So made in Missouri, by Missouri, and utilized in Missouri is extremely helpful. So I'm very pleased to know that, as well as the jobs, providing jobs for the people who live here in Missouri.
It's a $10 million investment in our community, and that makes a big difference because it's going to improve the quality of life for our neighbors.